Building a solid-state model. First, we create a cylinder with the diameter of 80 and the height of 20. Create it with a base of 80 and the upper diameter of 60 and the height of 30. Create a cylinder with the diameter of 50 and the height of 20. And also create a cylinder with diameter it's 40 or the height 70. Where the insert into the model and use the insert command to create the opening is shown in the video. Second model. Create a polygon with sides of 85, create with a base of 70 and on the upper diameter of 60. Inside the cone, create the diameter 30 and use the insert command to create the opening. Model 3. We create a cylinder with diameter of 70 and the height to 10 and create the polygon with size 60 and the height 20. We create a cylinder with diameter 40 and the height of 60. The inside we create on the second cylinder is diameter of 10 on the height of 90. Creating a cylinder with diameters of 60 and the height of 80. To create a second cylinder with diameters 40 and the height of 80. We create the polygon with size of 30 and the height of 70. And then create a cylinder with diameter 10 and the height of 90.